Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. Are you worried about the potential for a recession and the impact it could have on your finances? Are you looking for a guide to help you navigate the economic challenges ahead and protect yourself from financial trouble? Look no further than this video. Throughout this video, you are expected to learn three things. First one is what is a recession? Number two, why is it so important to plan for a recession? And number three, how can you prepare for a recession with 7 tips? So keep watching this video until the end so that you won't miss any key points that are beneficial to you. Number 1, what is the recession? A recession is an economic deterioration period in which trade and industrial activities slow down, usually resulting in high unemployment and a decline in the gross domestic product (GDP). During a recession, businesses may struggle to make profits, households may find it challenging to make ends meet, and government may struggle to fund social programs and services. Number 2, why is it so important to plan for a recession? Preparing for a recession can help you avoid economic trouble and protect your finances. By preparing now, you will be better positioned to weather any economic downturn and come ahead on the other side. Number 3, how can you prepare for a recession? Here are 7 tips that can help you prepare for a recession. Before we dive deep into it, hit the subscribe button and like button. Then let's go. Number 1, set up your own business. Starting your own business is a great way to protect yourself from economic trouble. Earning an income without relying on traditional employment is valuable during a recession. Even if it's just a side hustle, having a business can provide much needed financial buffer should you experience a job loss. If you are interested in exploring a side hustle that can help you earn 10 grand per month or even more potentially, then feel free to click the link down below. The first step in starting your own business is determining the kind of venture that is best for you. Consider the skills and knowledge you possess and the potential profits that you can make. Once you have narrowed down a few options, research the industry to understand any risks associated with that type of business. Starting a business requires hard work and dedication, and it can be financial and emotionally rewarding. Not only will you provide yourself with a stable income, but you will also be able to gain control of your future and have more flexibility in your life. Number 2, avoid debt. Debt is one of the leading causes of financial trouble and can be a significant factor in a recession. It is vital to ensure you take on only a little debt during economic uncertainty. The most effective method is to be proactive about managing your finances and avoiding taking on more debt than you can handle. The first step is avoiding debt is understanding what types of debt are available and their associated risks. There are 2 main categories of debt: secured debt, which is backed by an asset like a home or car, and unsecured debt, which is not backed by any assets. Additionally, it is essential to understand the risks linked with excessive debt. This includes the potential for late payments, higher interest rates, and bankruptcy. Ensure you understand the consequences of taking on too much debt before taking action. In addition, always look for opportunities to refinance your debt when possible. Refinancing allows you to get lower interest rates and more flexible repayment terms to help you manage your debt better. You can protect yourself from economic trouble during a recession by proactively managing your debt and understanding the risks associated with too much debt. Number 3, build an emergency fund. Establishing an emergency fund is vital for preparing for a recession. A contingency fund is money for unanticipated circumstances, such as job loss or medical expenses. Having an emergency fund is like having a safety net to help keep you afloat during economic uncertainty. Your emergency fund should be large enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months living expenses. To start building your emergency fund, try setting aside a certain monthly amount and adding it to your savings. This will help you save enough to cover unexpected costs while still allowing you to pay your regular bills. An emergency fund can help you survive an economic downturn and protect your financial security. Set aside a portion of your emergency fund's income each month so you are prepared for a recession. Number 4, diversify your investments. Investment diversification is vital to having ensured that you remain protected in an economic recession. When diversifying your investments, it is essential to consider the potential risks. Generally speaking, investing in stocks and bonds may provide some protection during an economic recession. Still, it will help to look at other asset classes such as commodities, real estate, and foreign currencies. In addition, it is crucial to note that regardless of how diversified your portfolio is, there is still a chance that your investment can incur losses due to a recession. Maintaining an emergency fund that can cover any unexpected losses due to the recession is essential. This will help ensure you have the funds to overcome difficult financial times during a recession. Number 5, avoid unnecessary expenses. Spending reduction is the most critical thing you can do to prepare for a recession. When the economy enters a recession, it's essential to prioritize your spending and focus only on necessities. You may need to cut out some necessaries from your budget and ensure you only spend money on things you need. This includes reducing or eliminating your travel expenses, entertainment costs, and dining out. Additionally, look for ways to save money on utilities, such as using energy-efficient appliances. It's also important to keep track of all your expenses. Make sure you are tracking every purchase you make so you can spot any patterns of overspending. This way, if you need to reduce your spending further in the future, you will know exactly where your money is going. Being conscious of your spending habits can save you from financial hardship during a recession. By avoiding unnecessary expenses and focusing on only the essentials, you can be well prepared for any economic downturn. Number 6, create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget is one of the most critical steps to protect yourself from economic trouble. A budget allows you to keep track of your income and costs, and it can assist you in maintaining control over your spending. When creating a budget, start by taking stock of your income and expenses. Ensure that all sources of revenue are included, such as your salary, investment income, and other sources of money. Then list all your expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, gas, entertainment, and other regular expenses. Once you've identified your income and expenses, you can begin to set limits for each expense category. Setting spending limits will help you stay within your means, even when faced with an economic recession. Creating a budget is only the first step. It will help if you stuck to it to benefit from it generally. To help you stay on track, reviewing your budget and making necessary adjustments regularly is essential. It's also helpful to track your spending to see where you are overspending or could be cutting back. By creating and sticking to a budget, you can stay financially secure no matter what happens in the economy. Number 7, keep learning. Learning more about the economy, financial markets and other aspects of personal finance is crucial in preparing for a recession. Taking the time to understand economic trends and how they can affect your finances can help you make better decisions with your money. Stay informed about current economic events and watching for any potential signs of a recession can help you be better prepared for when it does occur. Investing in quality education or professional advice can help you take the necessary steps to minimize the effects of potential recession. Finally, if you feel this video is valuable to you, then feel free to hit the subscribe button and like button. If you want to discover how to make money online to earn more income, please click the links down below now. If you want to know more about the recession, check out this playlist to discover more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.